Ludhiana, a bustling town located in the heart of Punjab in India, is famous for its support system for various industries, photo printing being a prominent one amongst them. G7 Printech, a printing solutions company headquartered in Ludhiana, is a renowned name in entire North India and is one of the key customers of HP. In a span of 10 years, they have been catering to the ever-growing demand for good quality prints. Behind every successful story, there is an underlying tale of hard work and strategy. And G7 is an apt example of this.
We have partners from 40 years to 80 years. They are fighters, there were market people, and some of them were experienced. And this whole team jointly come together to form a group called G7.
G7 basically a renowned name worldwide, the 7 wonders, so we selected this name.
We created a group. We were all 7 were competitors in the different state, in a different city, in a single state. And when we plan, we all are going to have a big machine. Who is going to survive? That was a big question, because at 2009, it was very much clear that huge investment was not viable for this project. So instead of going for 7 individual units, we planned, let's join hands and give a new thought to this industry.
We are 7 persons. If we collect 50 albums from all the angles, maybe 10 albums or 50 albums, the very first day our project is going to be in success.
From the past 10 years, G7 has been readily upgrading and evolving basis the industry and customer demands, transitioning from a traditional silver halide photo lab to one of the most advanced digital photo labs in India. As a leading photo print company, they are constantly looking at ways to surprise and delight their customers.
We will collect so many jobs for this particular machine. Then so we put together and make a system everybody will collect the jobs from his counter, and then it will come to the G7, so that we will first of all grow our counters. Then we go to the market.
When the time 2009, the things were changing from analog to digital, and from digital to indigo. We had a threat from all over the market and all over the world to go for globally or go for something different to remain in the market. Huge gap in the market, and we were forced to go from one machine to another machine. So it was initially a threat, but with the time it was a challenge for production for we people. How we people can cater this big India?
After I think 6 months, we put a second machine, and then we feel there should some change.
In the past 8 to 10 years, while G7 evolved, it started facing stiff competition in the market. But it was their team spirit and working together of 7 different minds. They ran the business efficiently by constantly increasing the production capacity and turnaround time. On an average, they printed 500 albums a day with a fleet of 4 machines and the power of productivity, quality and service, hence catapulting them to the number 1 position.
Initially, we started with the 5500 HP Indigo. At that time, as I already said, we are professional photographers and we can't compromise on colors. And initially, it was a challenge, but later on, we come to the point we are going to from 5500. It was at that time it was the gold machine. With that time, when we had a fleet of 4 machines in our scenario, the market stands still. And that HP people came to us. They gave us a new opportunity. They take us to Israel. See, this is the future. And that 12,000 machine we saw working in Israel, in Singapore, and when we realized to get an edge over the market from rest of the people, and we have to came out of that rush, we should go for 12,000.
HP Indigo technology helped them reinvent the entire business and gave them an edge of high-end quality and shorter turnaround time.
Ludhiana is basically industrial town for offset, for garments, for cycle industry, so that we are getting the business from those people also.
With the help of this 12,000 machine, we can cater all type of industry, maybe commercial, maybe offset industry, maybe wedding industry. We can cater this all varieties.
G7 is popular for their photo books, wherein they have been pushing the boundaries. Today, they are producing on an average 800 albums per day in various sizes, using variety of media at their facility in Ludhiana and Bhatinda. Both the units print around 25,000 sheets per day, both sides.
We are going to dominate in the market because of the different variable sizes and the varieties of the papers. The quantity we are going to have the output from this machinery. We are targeting for the 800 albums. This machine is having 2 trays and 1 pallets to put at a time 3 different varieties of the papers and the sizes, different sizes of the paper also.
With the introduction of B2 size albums, using high definition print quality along with vivid pink, vivid green, light cyan, light magenta inks, they are setting up the new benchmark in the photo printing industry.
Right now, our main target is to popularize mega books. What we G7 has a name, our other people are making only A3 size, and what we created, that is mega size. Our mega books, they are in demand now. Actually, we have to knock each and every door, and our marketing team, they had done a remarkable job. Any exhibition in any state, in any city, we are available there. We have to show our product in every exhibition to get our name at that place also. Right now, we have more than 100 and 150 people around the country working with us.
Best part of these machines are the quality of the prints are very excellent, and if we compare this 12,000 machine, this is of course having 1600 megapixels, which is going to give us a good quality, and moreover this machine is having HD heads. That's why we are getting edge from the market.
12,000 HD has a remarkable quality of true colors, rich colors. That's the thing we people want.
With such advanced HP Indigo technology and supporting infrastructure, G7 has become a one-stop solution to many photographers who get end-to-end service of printing, designing, and the final finished product. This has positioned G7 as a reliable printing solutions provider with a loyal customer base. They, however, are not limiting themselves and are consistently increasing their customer base by diversifying and innovating.
Digitalization to every social media, we can say we are going to use it. Initially, our focus was only on photo albums. Now we have shifted our one focus to another places also, to not only go to the photo albums, it's offset industries, if the brochures, if there are boxes there, we are hitting that industry also. And even single person giving a single photo order, that is coming through us, that we are going to provide him at his door. That is our strategy for the next years.